This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, an anti-lock braking system, a power rear liftgate, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.